Hi, I'm Nicole, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to find a specific article or publication in the library. One way to search for an article in the library is to enter the article title in quotation marks in the library search box. We use quotation marks to tell the database we wanted to find this exact phrase or title. Good news! We have the article, and here it is. Click on the article link. You can see the citation information, an abstract, as well as links to the PDF when it's available. You can also find an article if you have the citation using the Publications icon. The Publications search does not provide a list of every publication in the library, but a list of the publications that are available in full text in our library. The Publication links retrieves results across a range of scholarly journals, trade publications, newspapers, books, and popular magazines. You can search the Publication search box by entering the title, ISBN, subject, or search all fields. Let's say that you want to read a news article from the last week that was published in the New York Times. As you type, you might see auto-populated titles come up. Select from any of these options, or just finish typing the title and click Search. On the results page, you will see the databases that contain the full text of that publication. You will also see what years are available from our library subscriptions. Some databases might cover more years than others. Click on one of the links that covers the time period that you're looking for and start drilling down by date. You can also enter keywords from the article to search for a topic within this particular publication. As more publications become available online, some publishers are making a distinction between their print editions and online editions. If you're looking for an article you found online, you may need to check to see if there's an online or .com version of that publication. Note that some publications might show an embargo period up to a certain year. This means that a publication will only appear in full text in the database after the print edition, with the delay noted in the parentheses. If a title you want is embargoed or just not available in the library, you can always submit a document request from the library homepage. Fill in as many of the article details that you have on the form, and a librarian will search for your article and send it to you if it is available. You can also browse by subject in the Publications page. Results will be displayed in alphabetical order. Use the search filters to further refine your results by subjects or publishing years. Hopefully this video helps you find the publication that you're looking for. If you need help finding a specific article or publication, you can ask the library your question by filling out the Ask Us form, and a librarian would be happy to help you.